Hi guys, welcome to Kitchen Romance. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this delicious meal. Turkey sauce with potatoes. Let's go straight into the cooking. I've got my fresh turkey already, so I'll be using this particular one for the sauce. Just wanted to show you this. These are the bones from the turkey. All this turkey is 15 pounds. We had to go all the way to London to get them because it's cheaper there. Where we are, the African shops are not a lot, so everything is expensive. 15 pounds turkey, and look at all these bones. Bones that cannot be used. I literally had to use the knife to get all these bones out. My husband doesn't like bones, but also because I've got a toddler, I have to make sure that, you know, she finds it very easy to eat this turkey without me being worried about the bones. Yeah, so I'm being a responsible wife and mother. After cleaning the turkey, I did season it and then put it in the oven for almost a month. So I'm now ready to use it for the sauce. I'm going to transfer this into my bowl. Okay. So I'll start with olive oil, just enough to cover the surface of the saucepan. I'll start off with my herbs: oregano, thyme, parsley, finally I'll use my chili flakes. I will add just a little red onions. The next thing is to transfer the turkey into the saucepan. I will leave it for about 3 minutes and then I'll turn it upside down. I'll cover it and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. I'm going to do something very interesting. Remember, cooking is an art, so you can come up with your own stuff. So normally when I make my salad, I make a dressing for it. So I'm going to use the same dressing that I normally use for my salad to actually cook the turkey. So this is the first time I'm doing this. I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and then I've got my lemon. I'll just squeeze it. Just squeeze them in. Okay, and I've got my red wine vinegar. I've done dressing a number of times, so I tend to know how much I need. And my honey, which is almost finished actually. I need to go and get a new one. English mustard. I like using mustard, especially for chicken, because it makes it a bit softer. So just 1 teaspoon is okay. Also got my black pepper. I've already grinded it, so I'll just pour it in there. Finally, I'll add pink salt. So half teaspoon, because the mustard is a little bit salty. So I've just added a little paprika. Just mix everything together. Let's check on the turkey. It's browning very nicely. Now I'm gonna add my dressing. This looks very nice already. Wow. I believe this is going to be very, very sumptuous. Yes. Okay, I'll cover it again and I'll leave it to cook whilst I get my potatoes ready. I still have my bell peppers and the rest of my onions. That's the potatoes. I've cleaned it. So these are the sizes that I want for the potatoes. I'm just going to sprinkle some mixed herbs and extra virgin olive oil on it. My olive oil. Just a little. Transfer into my baking tray. I will not cover it. It will just go straight into the oven. Now I'm going to add the rest of my onions, my bell peppers, that's all done and dusted. You can eat this with anything. It is allowed. So this is going to be my dinner. I think the portion size is perfect. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. And also leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this video. And share with your friends. Enjoy your complete meal on Kitchen Romance, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye.